The recent Valencia floods have left families in urgent need of safe water, food, hygiene, and medical support. Our Islamic Charity is mobilizing aid to provide these essentials, especially to women and children. Stand with us to bring hope, restore dignity, and make a meaningful impact in the lives of those who need it most. On October 29th, Valencia and surrounding areas were devastated by sudden, intense flooding. Torrential rains overflowed rivers and overwhelmed towns like Utiel, Requena, and Chiver. Homes, schools, and healthcare facilities were impacted, leaving tens of thousands in need of urgent assistance. To maximize our impact and address the most pressing needs, we've structured our assistance into 3 focused areas: safe water and essential food supplies, warm clothing and personal hygiene kits, medical supplies and nutritional support for children and mothers. In the aftermath of floods, access to safe drinking water becomes a critical concern. We're focused on providing bottled water and canned food to meet immediate needs. As temperatures drop, the displaced need warm clothing to protect them from the cold. Hygiene items, particularly for women and girls, are also essential in maintaining dignity and health during this difficult time. The health of children and mothers remains a core focus in our relief efforts. Many families lack access to medications, vitamins, and nutritional supplements. By delivering essential medical supplies, we help prevent the spread of disease and ensure children's and mothers' health needs are prioritized. Our Islamic Charity is mobilizing aid to provide these essentials, especially to women and children. By donating, especially through crypto, you help us deliver rapid, effective relief to those facing unimaginable hardship. Imagine losing your home, your belongings, and your access to clean water, all within moments. For the families affected by this flood, that's the reality. Your support, whether financial or in kind, extends beyond mere donations. It's a beacon of hope. Every contribution reminds these families that they are not alone, that a global community cares for their well-being. As our Islamic Charity, we believe that no one should face such challenges alone. By joining us in our humanitarian mission, you are actively contributing to a cause that restores dignity and brings hope. Whether through crypto donations or spreading awareness, each action counts. Follow the link in description for help. We are grateful for your continued support and the compassion you show for those facing unimaginable hardships. Let's stand united and make a lasting impact on the lives of these families.